Okay, so if you have more than one inequality, and especially if one is quadratic, you can go on to solve each and get a solution for each. And so we reach our two solutions, separated by the word and. So our x has to satisfy both. And the best way to see this is on a number line, where you get a copy of each solution. Those are the values of x that you want. So both solutions. Where there's only one, it's not important, and where there's only one, that's not useful as well. So we are only interested in the values of x that are 3 and up. Okay, so when we have a denominator or a fraction with x in the denominator, the trick here is to multiply by the denominator squared. Why do we have to square the denominator? Well, we have to square the denominator because we can only multiply by a number we know is positive. At the moment, we don't know that x minus 1 is positive. So if we multiply it by the square, it's always positive. We don't have to worry about the direction the inequality is taking. If we do this, it's a lot more work, and we end up with a quadratic, but we can factorize it, or we will be able to just solve it in the usual way. But it's a matter of getting there correctly by doing the denominator squared on the top and on the other side of the equation. Inequality, not equation.